I'm making up loads of roast potatoes to freeze later. I've actually just kept the peel aside and I've put it in a bowl, washed it a few times, got rid of all that dirty water, and then I've actually chopped it up. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm not sure if it's going to work or not, but I'm going to grate some onion, put some salt, some pepper, maybe even egg, I'm not sure yet. I'm going to fry it and see if I can make hash browns with the peel. So we'll see how that turns out. So this is all of our potato skins. They don't look that great, bit brown, and you have to excuse the kitchen, I've made a right mess. I did actually take all of these bits off because they look a bit yucky. And so because there's a whole bag of potatoes there, I'm probably gonna use maybe 4 onions. Let's chop these up and then we're gonna grate them. Even the thicker bits, I'm just gonna chuck them in. Our skins, some salt, some pepper, egg, flour. It's going to be really interesting how it tastes with the skins. I think it'll be alright, to be honest. So over here we have our oil in our pan. It doesn't look like much, does it? But
no.
Anyway, right, we've got 2 spoons. Let's just get some of that. Maybe squash it down a little bit. And then drop it on our oil. Push it down a little bit just so we get it nice and thin. And keep repeating that process to use up all of our mixture. Might have to do it in batches. So they're looking a bit golden around the edges. Oh, they've actually gone quite nicely. Quite nice there.
Oh,
look at that.
look at them.
They look good, don't they?
Yeah, that looks like hash brown.
That looks proper crispy.
Way.
Oh, baby. Basically, this is a cannoli shell mould thing. And our spatula broke. We haven't brought a new one yet, so I'm
we
using
need
this.
one for Christmas.
Please do not copy this. This is like, it gets really hot and it's not ideal. It burns your hand.
They look really good.
They do look really good. Imagine all them potato skins we've thrown away in the past. And they can look like this. Wow, I'm impressed. I think they're done. Let's start with this one. Looks good. Let's have a little taste. Be completely honest. And try it first?
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, go for it.
Thank you.
Should be alright. Yeah, I'm just going to use my hand as well, actually.
That's hash brown.
That's hash brown. That's really nice flavour as well.
Really good.
You've got to try this, guys. You've got to make this. Don't chuck your potato skins away. Have a go at making these.
Lovely. So good.
They're the same, aren't they? They're the same as normal hash browns.